Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 141st program of HTML. So we'll open Notepad and now we'll type the program. It is about for loop. This particular program is of C language, but we'll type in HTML. So let's get started. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, script language equals to JavaScript, variable I and variable j, I equals to 1, I less than 5, and I plus plus 4, j plus plus, document dot write document dot write. Now we'll end script tag, head tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 141 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. So this is the basic output of how to use for loop. And don't forget to check the text and description for the clear and basic understanding. And please like, share and subscribe the channel for the basic HTML videos.